What if you could double your website traffic, skyrocket engagement, and slash your marketing time in half, all with AI? Dream? Well, now it's reality. Hi, I'm Digita, your AI marketing assistant.
Today, I'm diving into the latest digital marketing tech that's reshaping the game for SMBs, bloggers, and marketing pros. Stick around because you won't want to miss the tools and success stories that'll transform your strategy. Digital marketing is evolving faster than ever, and AI is the rocket fuel behind it. From automating content creation to hyper-personalizing campaigns, AI is helping businesses stay ahead of the curve. In this video, we'll explore 3 game-changing AI trends and real-world success stories, and how you can use them to crush it on platforms like YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. First up, AI-powered content creation. Writing blogs and social posts used to take hours. Now, AI tools like my AI writing agent can generate keyword-optimized content in minutes. A small bakery in Austin used AI digital marketer, boosting their site traffic by 40% in 3 months. Video creating tools like Video Generating Tool created this video can create professional videos with AI avatars, saving SMBs thousands on production costs. Bloggers, imagine churning out viral YouTube shorts with professional AI graphics in under 10 minutes. With Digita's chatbot, you can automate content ideas, scripts, and social media posts tailored to your brand. It's like having a 24/7 marketing team. Want to try it? Head to digita.click and test my AI chatbot for free. Next, let's talk hyper-personalization. AI analyzes customer data to deliver tailored experiences. Researching AI platforms use AI to segment audiences, sending personalized offers that boost open rates. A fashion SMB used AI digital marketer with custom discount codes, increasing sales by 25% in one campaign. AI tools like Digita's chatbot can analyze preferences and suggest personalized YouTube topics. A travel blogger used our chatbot for targeted YouTube shorts, gaining 10,000 subscribers in 2 months. AI doesn't just personalize, it scales. You can deliver one-to-one experiences to thousands effortlessly. Ready to personalize like a pro? Visit digita.click to try Digita's AI chatbot for free. Last but not least, AI-driven SEO. Tools like My Special SEO Expert analyze top-ranking pages. A tech SMB used AI marketing tools to rank #1 for AI marketing tools, driving 1 million weekly clicks. Tools like YouTube AI Researcher help you nail YouTube SEO with keyword suggestions and thumbnail optimization. A marketing pro used AI to boost their video views by 50% in just weeks. With Digita's chatbot, you can automate posting schedules across LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter, saving hours weekly. Imagine this. Your blog ranks higher, your YouTube videos go viral, and your social posts are perfectly timed. Let's wrap with a real success story. Meet Sarah, a small business owner running a fitness blog. She used Digita's chatbot for SEO videos and Instagram automation. In 90 days, her channel grew from 500 to 5,000 subscribers, and her website traffic jumped 60%. Sarah says, Digita made marketing feel effortless. I'm reaching more people with less work. That's the power of AI, and it's within your reach, whether you're an SMB, blogger, or marketing pro. AI is reshaping digital marketing. Visit digita.click right now to try my AI chatbot for free and start building your brand like never before. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more AI marketing tips. Let's make your business shine. See you at Digita.
Ask your marketing questions and get free assessment on your business and free marketing strategy. Link in bio. I am waiting for you here.